Hey, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI chatbot, and on top of that I'm going to show you how you can make money with it. Lots and lots of money. So you are excited? Well, let's go. For the creation of our chatbot, we are going to use Chatbase. So let's go to the website and click on Build Your Chatbot. Now sign up with your email or connect your Google account like I am doing here. Now click on New Chatbot. Here we will have to give the AI some data. Now let's say my client that wants an AI chatbot on his website is Roswell Bicycles from Atlanta. Here this is their website. They are selling all sorts of bicycles. Now we just have to copy the website link. Then go back to Chatbase and click on Website. And here you have to paste in the website link from your client. And then press Fetch Links. Now it will gather all the links from that website. It will collect data so it can train itself and learn the ins and outs about the company. It will transform itself into a sales customer service person on steroids. After it has finished loading, you can see all the links that it has collected. If there are any irrelevant links, you can just delete them. Things like irrelevant blog posts or shopping cart pages can be deleted. Now scroll up and click on Create Chatbot. Now the AI chatbot is being trained. This will take somewhere between 1 and 2 minutes. And then it will say, your chatbot is trained and ready. Now here is a cool tip for you. If you want to demonstrate and share this chatbot to your client, then all you have to do is click on Share. And then click on Make Public. Now here, you will get a link that you can copy and send to your client. This way they can test it out and experience the AI chatbot firsthand. How great is that? Now next we want to customize the chatbot a bit. Go to Settings and then to Model. Here we are going to change the prompt a bit in order to make the chatbot even better. For example, here it says, your name is a AI assistant, but we want to change that to, your name is Roswell Bicycles, in this case. Now here we also are going to add that it should respond in a friendly and well-mannered way. The next sentence we are going to add is also really important, and it will simultaneously be very valuable for your client. Because we want the AI chatbot to also be a bit sales-oriented so that it can also sell the product. So how do we go round doing that? Well, just type something along the lines of, your job is to help the customer and sell them bicycles. Ask questions to keep the conversation going and try to sell them a bicycle. This will greatly improve the conversion rate of your client. And now click on Save. Next, we also want to customize the interface. Go to Chat Interface. Now here we can change the initial message, change the colors and add a logo. I will change the color to the color of my client's website. Next, I am also going to add his logo to the chatbot as a bonus. And I think it looks nice. I just saved his logo on my computer. And then on Canva, I made a square format out of it. And then just upload it. Look at that. Now it is time we test out the AI chatbot ourselves. So let's ask it something like, what kind of bikes can I buy here? And boom, look at that. That's perfect. It provided the information and asked a sales-oriented question. Let's tell him that I am not sure what kind of bike I want. And there it is. That is just amazing. Now let's ask if it knows more about the company. Okay, that is just amazing. Our bot is well trained. Time to sell the bot and make money. How to sell these AI chatbots? Well, this is a very important section, so listen carefully. Now that you know how to create these amazing AI chatbots, it is time we monetize that newly acquired skill. To do that, we have to sell these AI chatbots to businesses and customize it for them. Well, technically selling AI chatbots should be a piece of cake because it only has big fat positive factors. Their company will have 24/7 customer service. It will offer more personalized experiences, deliver multilingual support, ensure more consistent support, offer convenient self-service options, provide proactive customer service, deliver omni-channel support, and all that getting rid of high staff costs. So what business would say no to that? But how do we actually get those sales and those customers and those business owners to buy our AI chatbot? Well, one way to do it is through advertisements, meaning you could just create a website where you showcase what amazing AI chatbots you can create and then advertise the heck out of it and hope you get some sales. Or you could create a Fiverr account and offer to make an AI chatbot for a few bucks. But no, we want some serious money, thousands of dollars. But how to do that? Well, I will tell you, you do that by cold calling. Yes, cold calling. This means we go and search and visit a company's website, and then we will look if they have a chatbot or not, and if they don't have one, well, guess what? We are going to give them a cold call. Yes, we are going to call them. But wait. Before we can do all that, we first need to make a script. You might be thinking, what the hell is he talking about? Well, yeah, we need a script. You remember that one movie with Leonardo DiCaprio where he played that extravagant rich sales guy? Yes, I am talking about The Wolf of Wall Street. In real life, that guy's name is Jordan Belfort. Why am I bringing this up? Well, that guy wrote an amazing book about a sales technique that will make you rich. In fact, that book is called Way of the Wolf. I strongly advise you to read that book. In that book, he talks about the straight line selling method. And one of the core elements to this method is creating a good script before you can start cold calling people and sell them stuff. You can create that script yourself, but what better way to do it than ask ChatGPT? Please write me a cold call script for selling AI chatbots in the style of the straight line selling method by Jordan Belfort. And there you have it. You can tweak it a bit to make it sound better, but that is essentially it. But not only will you have to create a script, your delivery has to be on point. You have to keep in mind the 310s, etc. So read that book and then you can start cold calling businesses and offer them to create a customized AI chatbot for them. And the price should be in the thousands. They are businesses, and a couple of $1,000s for a service that will elevate them and reduce cost in the long term is a huge pro for them. I put the link of the book in the description. And that's it. I hope you can now create your own AI chatbots and sell them to make millions of dollars. Join the AI revolution and become a member. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.